I'm back here today on the Golden Monkey, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to organize your computer. I get this question a lot of how do I keep clutter off my screen and off of my computer. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do that. Some of you may have seen my video that I uploaded in Spanish a while ago. I'm going to be doing that from now on in my channel. I'm going to upload the same video in English and in Spanish for those of you who need it in another language. So let's get started. The first thing that you guys can do to organize your computer is making a folder with all of your desired programs. So for example, if I right click on any open space in the main screen, if you go down to new, hover over that, and you will see this menu here. Once you are here, go ahead and click on folder and name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it programs. Whoops. Let's try that again. Programs. There it is. Now, if I double click on this, and you will see that nothing is there. It says this folder is empty. Now, if we exit that out, and if we click and drag on any of our desired programs, click it and drag it like so over to the programs folder you just created, and as you can see, it left the home screen and went into there. Again, do the same thing. Again and again. You guys get the point. Now I took 4 programs and condensed it into this one tiny space so it doesn't clutter up your home screen. If I double click on that, you will see that my programs are still here. And that's just something to think about if you like to keep clutter off of your main screen. The next thing you can do is, some people don't like to have their programs like this. Some people don't like to have their programs scattered all over the place on their home screen. So what you can do is click and drag your folder, program, whatever. Click and drag it and organize it however you want. You can do it in a vertical line, horizontal line, however you so choose. And that's just another option if you want to keep all your programs in one small area. Now, the next tip I'm going to give you guys to keep clutter off of your computer is going right here to this light colored bar where it says type here to search. Click on that and type in disk cleanup. Click on that and it's going to take you to this small program that already comes installed in your computer. Let's cancel this. Try it again. Disk cleanup. We're gonna wait for this to load up. Alright, here we go. So as you can see, it brings up this small space. It says you can use disk cleanup to free up 582 megabytes of disk space on your main hard drive. This number will vary based upon your computer and how much clutter you have on it. But what you want to do is check every single one of these boxes and you see it's just temporary files and recycling bin files and stuff that your computer really doesn't need. So by deleting this, you're not going to mess up the computer. You're actually doing the opposite. You're helping it. And by doing this, you will make it run faster and it will be more organized. So as I said, click on every single box and then click OK. and then it's going to ask you if you want to permanently delete these files. Click on delete, and then it's going to clean it up for you. And after this sort of long process, and it takes about 10 minutes or so. That can vary depending on how much it's cleaning up, but you're going to notice some slight speed changes in your computer. Now, the next thing that you can do to clean up your main screen is, if you have this program, right? You have any program, you click and drag it. This is if you don't want it on your main screen, like where the picture is. So you click and drag it down here, and when you get that small message that says pin to taskbar, you want to let go of the mouse button, and as you can see, it's right there in the taskbar. That's if you don't want it on your main screen. You can take this off if you want, but I'm not going to right now. See, I have many different programs that I have put onto the taskbar. If you don't like clutter on your taskbar, you can right click on your desired program that you want to take off of your taskbar, and you go there and then select unpin from taskbar. This will not delete your program forever, and it's just going to take it off of the taskbar. And as you can see, it's still here, ready for you to start up and use. And that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to like the video and subscribe if you have not done so already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time on The Golden Monkey.